SP Tools 281-piece metric and SAE toolkit in Tech Series toolbox. Tech Series is SP Tools' premium mid-size storage system. It features our unique dog bone style steel construction with 25% thicker steel. This ensures the structural integrity of the box throughout its lifetime. The box is 730mm wide and 480mm in depth. It features a combination of 7 drawers in a narrow 170mm or a wide 570mm configuration. The lid of the tool chest has heavy-duty dual gas struts. The drawers are equipped with soft closing, full extension ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kilograms per pair. The side of the box is equipped with recessed easy grip handles, and extra storage is available in the sides for holding aerosol cans and similar. The corner of the tool chest features bump protection corner strips to help maintain the high quality dual layer UV resistant powder coat finish. The tools. SP Tools 105-piece metric and SAE socket and accessory set in EVA foam. This kit includes quarter drive metric and SAE sockets 4 to 14mm and 3/16 to 9/16, 3/8 drive metric and SAE sockets 6 to 22mm and quarter to 7/8, half-inch drive metric and SAE sockets 10 to 32mm and 3/8 to 1 1/4, a 3/8 and half-inch drive spark plug socket in 5/8 and 13/16, quarter, 3/8 and half-inch drive polished chrome 72 tooth ratchets, quarter, 3/8 and half-inch drive polished chrome breaker bars, quarter, 3/8 and half-inch drive universal joints, and a range of quarter, 3/8 and half-inch drive extension bars. A range of socket drive adapters is also included. In addition to the EVA set, the socket range also includes 2 sets of 3/8 drive deep sockets on rails, sizes 10 to 19mm and 5/16 to 3/4, and 3 sets of quarter and 3/8 drive metric in-hex, SAE in-hex and Torx bit sockets. SP Tools 25-piece metric and SAE spanner set in EVA foam. The kit includes quad drive combination spanners 6 to 19 and quarter to 7/8. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. The quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. In addition to the EVA set, the spanner range also includes 2 sets of flare nut spanners, 4 metric from 10 to 22mm and 4 SAE 3/8 to 7/8. SP Tools 12-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 6 Phillip head screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length, 6 standard blade screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length. All screwdrivers features SP Tools ergonomic dual texture soft grips. SP Tools S2 chrome alloy steel 9-piece hex and Torx key set, 9-piece metric set 1.5 to 10mm, 9-piece SAE set 1/16 to 3/8, and 9-piece Torx set T10 to T50. A 31-piece bit set including a quarter drive low profile mini ratchet with metric bits 1.5 to 7mm, SAE bits 1/16 to 1/4 and Torx bits T8 to T45, and a 4-piece mini hook and pick set. SP Tools chrome alloy pliers and cutters with induction hardened cutting and grip points. These include a 200mm diagonal cutter with dual texture grips, 200mm long nose plier with dual texture grip, and 200mm combination plier with dual texture grip. A 250mm 3-rivet heavy-duty locking plier that features chrome alloy jaws, 250mm heavy-duty multi-grip plier made from chrome alloy steel, and a 250mm adjustable wrench made from chrome alloy steel. A 7-piece chrome moly pin punch set, sizes 2mm through to 10mm. A 16-ounce ball peen hammer with genuine hickory handle from a certified FSC timber source. An SP Tools 8-metre tape measure, Kit also includes 4-piece heavy-duty pry bar set with chrome moly impact ends and a 300mm professional quality hacksaw.